Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming file-level restrictions. Open the document and look for read-only or final status, because Word locks selection when it detects protected files. Once done, go to the Review tab and tap Restrict Editing to see if selection or formatting is limited. Remove protection if you have the password. Also check File Properties in Explorer for read-only, and verify the file is not opened from an email attachment preview. These steps remove the most common immediate locks. Next, dive into more complex causes. Track changes with user restrictions or a managed template can prevent selection. You should accept or reject outstanding changes, then try toggling simple markup to all markup to restore normal editing. If that fails, test Word in safe mode, hold Control while launching, and temporarily disable add-ins from File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins. Also confirm your machine isn't subject to group policy or enterprise DLP rules that lock selection. Contact IT if corporate controls apply. To finish, run a quick office repair. Use Control Panel or Settings Right Arrow App's Right Arrow Modify Office. Quick repair often restores selection. If repair is impractical, copy-paste content into a new blank document to regain control, making sure to paste as plain text if formatting causes lock. Once done, restart Word and check for updates. Persistent locks may need IT intervention or file owner removal of protection. One troubleshooting tip: if copy fails, open the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.